Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. We really like playing games, but we were getting sick of all the same old games that we were always playing. So we finally found a new one, and I cannot wait to introduce it to all of my friends. This game, Doomlings, is so addictive, it's so much fun. One of my favorite parts is that no game is ever the same. I really like how easy it is to set up. The instructions lay it out super clearly, so it makes it very easy. Also, it doesn't take a whole lot of time. It's really fun with 2 people if you want just a quick game, but the more people you have, the longer it will take and the more fun it will be because you never know what's gonna happen. There are 3 catastrophes in the game, and once all 3 catastrophes have happened, the game is over. There could still be ages left in the pile, but once you're through all 3 catastrophes, you're all done. Then you tally your points. One thing I really appreciate is that the box comes with space for adding future Doomlings, they call them, which is the expansion pack. So you don't have to figure out where to put them once you get more. And believe me, you're gonna want more. If you're looking for a game that's quick and easy to learn, but also a ton of fun and never the same, I highly recommend this one. It's our favorite, but that's just my point of view.